Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you a for loop. As it was said in the book and in the notes, any counter-controlled loop can be made into a for loop. So let's just show you what we need to do for a for loop. So we get rid of the while. So we just say for, I'll put in parentheses, count equals 0, semicolon. And so I don't need this up here anymore. I can initialize. In fact, I can even initialize count here. So let's just initialize it here. So I don't need this line at all. Okay, count equals 0. Count less than 4, which was our check before. And we can say count. Now I can say plus plus, which just means increment count. I can get rid of this line. It's the same thing. Count is count plus 1, or I can say count plus plus, or I can just say count equals count, oops, plus 1. Same thing. So notice semicolons in between. This is how you do it in C#. So basically, I got rid of this line, and put it all into a for loop. Let's see if it works. Start. There it is, the 4 hellos and the goodbye. And it works basically the same way, except it's a for loop now instead of a while. Let me just put my breakpoint there. And we'll start it. We hit the breakpoint. And this was fine. Okay, so first thing it does, it says is count equal to 0. As you see, that's highlighted, so we initialize it. Then it checks is count less than 4. Okay, well, yeah, it's 0. So since it's 0, we're going to do hello. And then we're going to check count is count plus 1. So we jump to this section over here. Count is count plus 1. You see it in the yellow. Now, which it's 1. If I look and put my little thing over there, it's 1. You can also see it down here. It's 1. Again, I'll go through the hello. Then count is count plus 1. It's 2. So now it goes to count is less than 4. So after it initializes here and goes through the body, it goes here, then here. Body, here, then here. And it just keeps going back and forth like that. And count is count plus 1, which is now equal to 3. Is 3 less than 4? Yes, it is. Print hello. Count is count plus 1, so it's now 4. Is 4 less than 4? No, it's not. So we print goodbye. As you saw, I jump down there and stop the program. And there are my 4 hellos and goodbye. So if I want, for a counter-controlled loop, I can use a for statement and put everything onto one line. I got rid of this line, and it's all just in one line. Thank you.